Hey everyone, welcome back to Ginger Me Glam. I'm doing another fun toy episode for your little ones. Now, I met Magformers at the Toy Insider's Sweet Suite at home, and they sent me this toy to review. And so that means, yes, I did receive this for free, but these are 100% my own thoughts. I wanted to go ahead and let you know that I am super excited because I am a STEM mom. I am very much into tech. I worked for tech companies and I've always loved that side of things, and I want my son to be able to grow and learn that as well. So to develop those skills, there's a lot of toys out there, books, different programs that they can use to excel. Now, Magformers reached out and they have these fun little mini house sets. This is the Magformers Max Playground set. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Now, if you're curious about the magnetic magic, take a look. You can take a look at that. So many different ways to build. All right, let's go ahead and build the playground set. Let's take a look and see what we created. Okay, so this is what we were watching from that bird's eye view, setting it up so that there's this little playground set. Isn't that adorable? It's just so much fun that you can bring, whether that's on a trip or sticking them together like the magnets for fun in the car. So you don't have to bring the whole play set, but it's great development to build new things. And since there are so many different ways that you can play with this, that it's like you're never gonna get bored. Look at this. So many different ways that you can play. And it creates a lot of curiosity and a lot of learning. As you can see, Max was a hit. My son loved playing with it and putting all the magnets together and creating new play sets. To think that there are 26 different ways to build, it's mind-boggling, and it's great brain development for kids because they get to explore different ways to build and trial and error, seeing what works, what doesn't work, and letting their imagination run wild. That's the best part. Giving them the tools to create whatever world that they want to live in and enjoy it and be able to share that space with others. Now, this toy you definitely could bring on the go, whether that's in the car or maybe to grandma's house or, you know, hanging out in the living room and trying to find that complexity of, how many can I build today? Can I build them all? It's a really great challenge and it'll keep them interested for hours. Thank you so much, Magformers, for sending the mini house set, the Max Playground set. This retails at $49.99 and I definitely recommend it. I know that this is a hit and my son, he's gonna be wanting more of the sets to put together and maybe build a rainbow tower, who knows? Be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up because you know it's awesome and you had a lot of fun watching us build, and leave some love in the comments. Tell us what you were most excited about from Magformers. Did you discover it for the first time? And what other sets might you be interested in? Maybe we'll build another one, who knows? Until then, take care, bye!